Hey, welcome back to Plastic Madness. Today I got this package from Shows Store. Um, this is the upgrade kit for the uh, Jinbao oversized uh, gravity builder, the G1 version. So let me open this and let's see. Let's take a look at the box. Okay, so this is what it was inside the package, the plastic bag. They also give you uh, a card with all the information, a couple of stickers, and the box is really protected with these plastic corners. Let's see if we can open it without having to stop recording. Maybe. I hope so. This box is too big and just don't have too much room here, but we'll see. I'll do my best. Looks like we can. Okay. Maybe. Let's see if we can. There we go. All right, and there we go. We have that. We have the Level Up City Builder. It says deformation. Made by Like Toys, I guess. Another picture of Devastator there. Alright, let's open these. I got this and I'm like, I saw it, I was like, oh, that's a good idea, but then now I'm realizing that once I put this on Devastator, it's not going to fit. It's not going to fit in the shelf. So that's gonna be a problem. Let me pause this video and I'll have everything out of the box. Maybe not. Let me. There comes some instructions. All right. Everything's moving, shaking. There we go. You get a new head, a bigger one. You get the set of thighs and the waist, new waist, new shoes, and I believe these are the two pieces for their side. I think they go on the side of a long haul, and the new chest piece. Okay, all right, I'll get them out and we'll take a look at it. Okay, you also get a set of instructions. What needs to be done. Okay. Okay, well, let's take a look at this. I'll need to bring the Jinbao Devastator that I have. This is a solid piece. It's not, has no joints, it's definitely different, and it's just a hollow piece. Okay, The feet, I believe this one, let me see, I believe this one is for Scrapper, I think. No, this one. Yeah, this one's for Scrapper. Goes this way for Scrapper, and this one is for Mixmaster. And then you get extensions for the arms. You can connect the hands here and here. A bigger head. Okay. And I believe it says that you gotta move the light and the battery from, yeah, you gotta move it from the previous from the previous from the original head. You gotta bring it into this one. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be different, definitely bigger, which it's not gonna fit, but all right. And then you get the biggest part, the thighs, and you get the waist, and then lower, and the abs where you connect long hole. Oh wow, they're very stiff. Okay, that's good. All right, so that's gonna hold. It doesn't feel, the plastic feels like it's like lightweight, but and you get some extra pieces. Let's see where they go. So these ones here, they go, yeah, they go on the side of long hole. These two, I think no, this is not for long haul. This is for the crane. Yeah, and that's where you connect the arms. These ones are for long haul. This one's here. It was L shape. Yeah. And for long haul, looks like you have to fold it like some kind of like L shape. Yeah, right here. That's long haul. Long haul is in L shape. That's pretty much the standard thing for all the big combiners. You just the biggest member of the group gets folded into like a it gets folded like into accordion, and you shove it into the full chest, or and you attach that to the set of ties. But I guess that's the only way to get these big ass figures to balance properly, because yeah. All right, and the knees. Oh, I'm gonna wake up everyone in the house. Okay. Well, all right, give me a few minutes. I'm going to take Devastator out of the shelf, and take it apart, and then upgrade install all the new pieces. All right, see you in a little bit.